Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison video between this Hoover Clean Slate on the left and the BISSELL Little Green Carpet Cleaner on the right. I'm first going to show you the differences between these two, and then I'm actually going to put some stains on some carpet and we're going to go clean the stains with each one. So they're both very simple to operate, simple switch. You're going to push this switch in the top end. This one has a switch here you turn on. So the dirty water tank on the Clean Slate is on the right hand side here. Press this button and you take the whole tank out and then this top comes off. So if you want to get inside and be able to clean the entire tank, the Clean Slate allows that. And then when you want to put the Clean Slate tank back on, let's go over here to the Little Green, lift this lever, and then you can take this jug out. You're going to pour the dirty water out here. Now, if you want to gain access inside here, you only can take this part off here and kind of clean in there. You cannot take this white part off. So you got to kind of rinse the water in there, slosh it around, and then rinse it out. And when you're done, set it in there and snap that down. Okay, so on the left side, each one of them has the solution tank. So this one, the Clean Slate's got a nice handle. You lift up, and here's, you tilt it over. You're going to take this off. You're going to put the solution in there. There's a nice big area where it's marked when you're going to do a small area or a large area for when you're going to put the water and solution. Then when you got it filled up, just slide it down. The BISSELL, you got to slide this up. Again, turn it over. You're going to take this off. And then down here, you're going to put the solution. And then there's the water line. And then you got to slide the BISSELL down. Okay, so around back, they both had this really nice cord storage. You're just going to lower this lever, take the whole cord off. Same with this, same with the Clean Slate. And they also have this little hook on the cord to stow it. Now the BISSELL does have this to store it. Here's what the cleaning head looks like. When you press this, the solution is going to spray out here. And then the suction area is right in here. Now the Hoover does have quite a bit bigger cleaning area and suction area. But when you press the button, the solution is going to come out here. Both of them, the solution comes out under pressure, so you get a lot of solution. Now the BISSELL, I can take the head off. I can put different heads on. Same with the Hoover. Right here, it's a little easier to lift that lever. I can take this attachment all apart and clean it on the inside. This will get really dirty. The brush will get dirty. The Hoover does have room for one more onboard attachment, the crevice tool. Okay, so the Hoover Clean Slate is 120 volts, 60 hertz, 3.5 amps. Now the BISSELL is 120 volts, 60 hertz, 2.75 amps. Okay, so the Hoover Clean Slate is going to have 420 watts of power, and the BISSELL Little Green is going to have 330 watts. So the Hoover almost has 100 watts more power that it uses. Okay, so they both come with the hose clean or hose rinse device. You're simply going to install it on there, press the button. When it's on, it's going to suck air through these vent holes, and then the solution is going to go down and clean the hose. The Hoover, it stores it in the lid there, and it goes on the same way. I'll demonstrate those. Okay, so let's go clean some stains out of some carpet and see how they do. Okay, so I've got some ketchup on each side, barbecue sauce, and then some chocolate milk in the middle. Let's turn each machine on. Here's the spray pattern. I'm going to be spraying and cleaning up. Let's go back over to the ketchup. Now let's do the chocolate milk. So the spray pattern on the Hoover is a little different than the one on the the Little Green. Let's show you that. So the Hoover has to kind of fan it out a little bit more because it's got a bigger head, where the Little Green is more concentrated in one area. So I'm going to work on these stains a little bit more. There is some pretty good suction with this one. It's just got a bigger head, which takes a little bit longer work. This one is more focused. So the little green one, I can kind of focus on an area. Okay, edit that out. 3, 2, 1, edit that out. Edit, edit, edit. Okay. Okay, so both of these do a really good job cleaning. The Hoover's got a bigger area, so sometimes if you want to clean a bigger area, this works pretty good. The BISSELL is more concentrated, so if you got like a little area, I can kind of, the spray pattern's more concentrated, I can kind of get in an area and suck a little more. So let's work on these a little bit more. Okay, I'm just going to use the BISSELL now. I'm going to kind of concentrate on where it's still stained. Okay, I'm going to use just the Hoover now, and I'm going to concentrate on where the stains are. Now the Hoover, you got to kind of angle up. Okay, edit that out. Edit this next part. We're going to do hose cleaning. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the hose clean on each machine. So on the BISSELL, take this off. You're going to position this on there so that that lines up there. The Hoover, you're simply going to place this on there and position the nozzle in there. Now let's turn them on and clean the hoses. You know, the Hoover does have a little more suction. Okay, so both of them got the area clean. The Hoover, you know, with that bigger head, it was able to do kind of like a bigger area, but the little green kind of did more of a concentrated area. So the dirty water tank on the Hoover, here it is. We can go empty it out. And on the BISSELL, lift the lever. Here it is, and we can go empty it out. Very simple, very easy to use. So if you need a little more suction power, a little more cleaning power, the Clean Slate is a really nice machine. But the BISSELL little green one is also a nice machine. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.